Hello, this is Paritosh from techhome.com. Welcome to the unboxing video of Micromax Canvas HD A116. It's a quad-core device. It comes with preloaded Jelly Bean 4.1.2. It has a 1.2 GHz quad-core processor. It supports Wi-Fi. It has a 1 GB inbuilt DDR2 RAM and has internal memory of 4 GB with option to expand it to up to 32 GB. It comes with GPS, has connectivity option of Bluetooth 4.0, which is good. Comes with a battery of 2000 milliampere, which in my opinion for a HD 5-inch screen device is quite low. Anyhow, let's start with the unboxing. Right, so this is the device. This is Micromax Canvas HD. Yeah, it looks good. It has a rear 8 megapixel camera. I'm not sure about the front camera. It has no physical buttons, only 3 touch keys. And okay, let's move on. Okay, so this is the usual USB connector. This is the micro USB slot and the USB. Okay. And this is the 2000 milliampere battery. Looks quite sleek. And the usual earphones. By the looks of it, I don't think they are going to be of much use, but anyhow. And this is the wall socket charger. Wall socket charger. So this is good. And the usual documentation. This is the SAR compliance guidelines, general, and this is the usual user guide. And the warranty statement. So nothing important. Let's get started with the device itself. Before I plug in the battery, let me just take you through the physical appearance of the device. At the front we have a 12.7 centimeter full HD screen with AMOLED glass. On the here we have the front camera. The 3 touch keys. There is no physical button on the front. This is the earpiece. On the sidelines we have the volume rocker, the volume up, the volume down. Nothing here, nothing else. At the bottom we have the MIC. On the other side again just a power on and lock unlock button, the combo button. At the back down here we have the speakers, the Micromax logo. This is the flash and the 8 megapixel camera. At the top we have the 3.5 mm jack, and this is for charging the device as well as connecting it with your laptop or your computer. Okay, so let's put in the, and also it's a dual SIM device, dual SIM phone. So let me just quickly put the battery. As you can see, it's a dual SIM phone. There are 2 slots for entering the phone, and this one is for plugging in your external SD card. Also, one more thing, in case if you do purchase this device, just make sure that you open the back cover and you remove this this covering that they put on the cameras. You'll be getting good image quality after removing it. Alright, so let's put in the battery. It's a 2000 milliampere battery, as I mentioned before. switch on the device. Alright, so this is the startup screen. You will be getting it once you insert the battery for the first time. It is taking more than expected time to boot up. By the time it boots up to the home screen, let me just quickly compare it with put down my Galaxy Grand in front of it. So as you can see, this is Galaxy Grand. It also comes with a 5-inch screen, and the main difference between these two devices is that Canvas HD is quad core, and this Galaxy Grand, it's a dual core. Apart from that, Galaxy Grand comes with a HD display. However, Samsung didn't put an HD display into the Galaxy Grand. It comes with a simple LCD interface. Alright, more comparisons later. Let me just quickly skip the... Okay, it's asking me for the password. Alright, so we are on the home screen now. As you can see, I'm not sure if you are able to view the let me just quickly drag and drop these default Micromax applications. And it should be visible now. So by default it comes loaded with MLive, Micromax Zone and Micromax Store. These are the default applications that you will get once you buy Micromax Canvas HD. This is the home screen. Micromax hasn't made too much customizations. It has just picked up the original Jelly Bean code and put it in its device. So you'll not be finding many customization, which is good. In case if you are planning to enjoy the actual Jelly Bean. Okay, so let's just go into the settings. Okay, so okay, here it shows Android version 4.1.2. I'm not sure where to access the applications. Internal SD running. Okay, so out of the available 670 MB of 1 GB of RAM, around 671 MB is free, which is very good. And you'll be getting more RAM in case if you block some of the default services that Micromax has put into the phone. These are the applications that are pre-installed Cricket Fever, Fruit Devil, Hookup, M Live, M Store, M Zone, and I'm not sure what this WZN broadcast is. So you can disable some of these applications. Okay, so let me just quickly. So uh, the interface, it's fluid. I can't seem to face any lag. There is no pinch to zoom. There is no pinch to zoom. Yeah, and let me just quickly open techworm.com in the browser and let's see how the browser behaves. Okay, so the notification bar has slidable options. I'm looking for the screen rotation, auto rotation. Yeah. And oh yeah. So this is the new taskbar, the new task manager that we have in Jelly Bean. Again, this has been taken directly from the actual Jelly Bean code, so not many customization, unlike what Samsung does or what LG does. Micromax has kept it simple and to the point, so I'm glad that they have done so. Okay, so it's loading. This is the stock browser that comes preloaded. I'm not using any Chrome browser, just checking out the device performance with the default browser. Okay, so we have it's easily loading the Techworm's website, our own website. No issues here. Yes, it is, and let me just quickly rotate to the portrait landscape view. Alright, brilliant. It looks even nicer in the landscape mode. Let me just tell you, I'm not sure if we are able to make out from this video. The HD display looks good. It looks, I've been using Galaxy Grand for a while now, and I can see the difference between the Galaxy Grand's display and the HD display. So it looks good. Again, there is no pinch to zoom. I'm not sure even if this device has pinch to zoom. So alright, this was the rotation is good. Yeah, the response time is good. Okay, so let's just check out the video performance, the video playback. Alright, let me just close this and open YouTube. The reason for these smooth transitions is the presence of the underlying processor, which is a quad core processor, which is, it provides double the power Samsung Galaxy S2 had to offer. So yes, the fluidity is because of the powerful processor and the presence of 1 GB RAM. Okay, so let's just search for our own channel, Techworm Vids. Okay. Okay, so let's just play the Samsung Galaxy Grand's video. I'm not sure why it is taking so long. By the time, let's just see if there are any default images in the gallery. Okay, no images are there. Let's test out the camera. It has an 8 megapixel camera. Okay, so it has HDR enabled. It has HDR capabilities, which is good. Let me just quickly. Right, HDR capabilities, and I'm not sure. Okay, here it is. The video quality. From the settings, I can't judge the maximum resolution that this phone has to provide for recording videos. So the presence of HDR in itself tells you a lot about what kind of images you are going to get from the device. Good, in case you are wondering, good images. Okay, so still maybe something is up with the Wi-Fi. Anyhow, let's just wrap it up this review. This was Micromax Canvas HD A116, and we have this Galaxy Grand. Both come with 5 inches of screen. The main difference, as I said earlier, was Canvas has. Okay, so the main difference is that Canvas has an HD screen, whereas Samsung doesn't come with an HD screen. It has a quad-core processor. Samsung Galaxy Grand comes with a dual-core processor. Apart from that, the majority of features are pretty much the same, barring a few minor differences. However, the main differences, as I mentioned before, are the screen and the processor. But if you I'll not be making a comparison. I'll just wrap up this review by saying that Canvas HD, the price at which it comes in the market, it does justify the price. It's a good device. The only issue that I feel the users might face is the upgradability to the newer version, that is Android Jelly Bean 4.2.2. Apart from that, it is a good device. I'll suggest, unless until you plan on dropping your phone now and then, it's safe to buy Micromax Canvas HD. Okay, thank you for watching this video.